Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up Qikink on WordPress or on your WooCommerce store. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my dashboard for my site on WordPress, and to start integrating Qikink with WooCommerce, what we need to do is go into the plugin section, and your store on WooCommerce should already be set up. So once you do that, you can go ahead and search for Qikink, and once we search for that, we should find the app, which is called Qikink Print on Demand and Dropshipping. And you do need to be on a business plan to actually be able to activate this plugin. But once you do have a business plan and once you do activate the plugin, it will ask for you to confirm your Qikink account. Once you enter your email with your associated account, you will then get a one-time password, which you will need to go to your email address, to your inbox, to actually find and then input it. And after you do that, that should be pretty much it. Now, these are the outlined steps, at least on the Qikink official guide for this. You just sign up for an account, log into WordPress, install the app, access the plugin settings, then enter your Qikink account email, connect it to your account, authorize WooCommerce if it's applicable. That'll automatically just pop up, and you just need to hit the authorize button. And then once you're done, you just confirm the message, and that should be pretty much all there is to it. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys, but it is what it is. I cannot afford to be on a business plan for a site I won't use, so that is all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.